Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to talk about another ROM which is gamers exclusive ROM. Back in the days, that custom ROM community gifted us with various gaming ROMs which are just magnificent. ROMs such as Corvus ROM, Bootleggers and Havoc OS was successful in setting high standard in terms of gaming performance and satisfy all the users. Today we are going to talk about such ROM which is preserving legacy of quality gaming ROMs, introducing Nusantara OS. We are going to use the Redmi Note 5 Pro Android phone to flash this awesome ROM with the help of TWRP. Step 1. Backup your device. Step 2. Wipe all your data by selecting these 4 options in the advanced mode. Step 3. Install this ROM by selecting the zip file which is located in your internal memory. After the installation done, it will reboot automatically. The first boot of newly custom ROM will take some time, so you have to wait at least 5 to 10 minutes. Nusantara project is an Android OS provider with many customization and lightweight features. This ROM was introduced in year 2020. This ROM is basically based on Android Open Source Project or AOSP. AOSP based ROMs are secure, but that security is at risk for Android users when enabling root access on the device. This OS has supported more than 40 devices with the different brands like Xiaomi, Realme, Asus, OnePlus, Motorola and Samsung. Nusantara project is one of the customization providers on the Android operating system that has many features with a lightweight system. OSP makes it more smoother, which is known to be lightweight, clean and no bloatware. Now the latest version of this OS is based on Android 12. It has provided all the features of Android 12. The latest version 4.0 is not available for all the Android devices, but it will available soon. The Nusantara OS comes in a 2 available options, GApps or Vanilla. If you want to use this OS with Google applications, then select the GApps option, and if you want to use without Google applications, then select Vanilla option. The developers add many different features with enhanced performance and best user interface. This OS has a great user interface which is looking good and clean. Nusantara project is the best known for its performance and gaming experience. This operating system provides the flawless gaming experience. Please visit the website to check if your device is eligible or not. Please flash this ROM in a proper way and follow all the instructions. Also, if you like the video, please share this video and do not forget to subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.